After some hours, I now can say bigger spring is better. Wheels in this position, in or on the lever, is not a very big improvement. Much bigger was the difference in cutting this radius a little bit longer. And I found out that this 6mm bolts are too weak for my tests. I covered the wood with metal straps to reinforce them and to lower the friction. That was good. And I now changed it that way that if you take out the wedge, you can get out the blade quite easily. So maybe it could be better to reverse the blade and act on the stiff handle part. Yeah.